Welcome back to XTechie. In this video we are going to explore how to create a Windows Media Player using .NET WinForms. From Toolbox, Components, then choose Windows Media Player. Left side panel for playlists and right side panel for Windows Media Player. Add List View property and Image List. Set the list view item of its content. On click of playlist, then corresponding audio or video will play in the Windows Media Player. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. The code for this process is available for download, and you can find the link in the description section below. If you have any inquiries or require additional clarification, don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments, and I will be glad to provide further assistance.